Hey, what's up? It's Matt, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install the CF2 timed popper. Alright, so what this does is it gives you the ability inside of ClickFunnels 2.0 to time your pop-up to a kind of a delayed pop-up. So there are no native settings inside of the pop-up here to do that. You can show it on, don't show it on exit, or show it when the user tries to exit, or you can trigger it on page load, so basically it just shows up when somebody comes, or don't show when somebody comes here. So we're going to choose don't show it on load and don't show it on exit. So those are out of the way, but there's no fade in or delays until now. So what we're going to do, we're going to set up a little add-on from CF Pro Tools here. All right, back at the dashboard on CF Pro Tools, from here you can either create a new add-on from clicking here, or you could just go to your add-ons, go like my add-ons or all of my add-ons, and then what you'll do is create new up here. It's behind the camera, I can't even see it. But if you go to search by keyword, then what you'll do is look for CF2, I think it's Popup, CF2 timed pop-up here. You guys are probably watching the instructions because we're going to put this instruction on this page. So you guys have probably already figured this much out at this point in time. So what you'll do is there's no configuration for this, guys. Just give it a name. It'll work on other pages, so you can create one version of this, and then what you can do is just take this one add-on and put it in other funnels if you need to. All right, so we're going to take this script. We've just created the code and then copied that code. Now I'm going to pull up ClickFunnels 2.0 one more time. We're going to go to the settings. We're going to go to show code. We're going to go to the footer code, and we're going to make sure that this add-on has been installed just like that. So we now have the CF2 timed pop-up in there. And then we're going to go to settings. We're actually going to click on the pop-up and then create your pop-up. Your pop-up should look however it is that you want it to look. I've created one so generic that nobody would actually ever use it. But for testing purposes, if this works, if my timed pop-up works, you should see this pop up after 5 seconds. All right, so we're going to go to pop-up. We're going to go here. We're going to click on edit pop-up settings, or you can click on edit settings here. Either one of them should go to the same place. Now what we want to do once we're in the settings is go to the advanced tab here, and then we're going to go to the custom attributes. Now I've already created a custom attribute, the one that we're going to use, but I'm going to show it to you so you can see what it is. All right, so the name, which is the first row here, should be data-show-seconds, okay? And then right here, you're just going to put in how many seconds it is that it's actually going to be in there, okay? So if I want it to be 5 seconds, just put a 5 in there. If you want it to be 2 seconds or 20 seconds, maybe you want it to be 20 seconds. Whatever it is, put it in here and then click save, okay? So you now have a custom attribute in here, data-show-seconds equals 5. Okay, that's it. Lowercase, just like that, and it should be good. Once you've done that, hit the save button, just like that, and you should be good. All right, do make sure that your domain, whatever your domain is, has been added into the domains tab over here inside of CF Pro Tools, just like this. Go to domains, make sure that you've added your domain, and if you don't do this part, none of these add-ons are going to work. So we're going to come back here. We've saved this page, and we are now going to click on preview. We can click on preview, or we can go to the live page. Okay, so let's take a look, see how it goes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, a little bit slow on my 5, but we got it. All right, so if my time pop-up works, you should see that. That's how it works. You can play around with that. If you have any questions, of course, hit us up, support@cfprotools.com, and I'll do what I can. It's a pretty simple install, and I'll put all the instructions together right there in the instruction area for you, okay? Thank you, and I will talk to you guys soon. Take care.